Howdy there, folks. The Collector 6819 coming at you. Was at Walmart today and picked up a retail box of 2013 Press Pass Fanfare Racing. You're guaranteed one autograph or relic in each box. So figured I'd see what this one, what this year's set was all about. So I usually like the fanfare stuff. It's usually pretty nice. So. So, here we have it, one pack. You get 5 cards. So, as you can tell, it's most likely an autograph. So, we got David Reagan, Casey Kane. Go from the back here. You got a fan filing, Marcus Ambrose. I guess it's they got the red die cut parallels. This one is Ricky Stenhouse Jr., Danica Patrick, which is pretty cool, even if it is the checklist. So, and we've got Fanfare Autos, number to the 225, Hal Martin. Okay. So, Hal Martin. It's 164 out of 225. So that's pretty cool. It's always nice to get an autograph. So there you have it. That was 2013 Press Pass Fanfare. So thanks for watching, guys, and we'll catch you again next time.